Welcome to Thurstons Fair?
Yep.
Thurstons Fair. First time we've done this fair. Now some of these rides actually we have seen before, but it's the first time we've done one of their fairs. And I'll tell you, it's a lovely lineup in what is really quite a small area, to be honest with you. You can probably see in the background a little family coaster. I've never seen that, Kurt.
No, I don't think I have.
I haven't seen that. That would be a coaster cred.
Yeah.
Not for me today. We got Chaos, a Freakout ride. Over there we got Jetfire, you can see. The Tivoli Extreme. Daredevil, we've seen Daredevil before. That's not new for us. We've got a wonderful looking twister. I haven't done that twister before. That's not one we've done. You've got a Superbowl there as well, and you've got Escape from Alcatraz down the bottom. That's a brand new ride, I believe, last year, and Dodgem's in the middle. A few play areas, a little Racerama here as well. There is quite a lot here, and yeah, we're just gonna have a bit of fun, aren't we? Yeah. It's just me and you.
Yep.
It's just me and Kurt again today, no Cody. We will show you around the fair as we go, but you know, we want to get some footage, we want to take you on the ride, so let's get on.
Oh la la, oh la la.
So here's the Daredevil. This is the Miami ride. We've seen this before. I don't know if you've seen this before, Kurt.
It's a nice looking one though.
Yeah, I've been on this before. It's not a new one for me. It must have popped up at one of the big fairs that we've been to. It is a beautiful example. I mean, the lighting on these are stunning, absolutely stunning. This is an over-the-shoulder restraint one, so it does cater for the 1.2 meter height restriction. But lovely, lovely example, Miami. You can see as well in the background, little family coaster going around. That's definitely not one I've seen before. What should we start with, Kurt?
Freakout?
Let's start with the Freakout. So here's Chaos, KMG Freakout. A lot of people that weren't too sure about getting on this when they got on. We don't mind though. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a good one. Oh yeah. Nice high swing, and then get a little bit of a spin going on. And I think we're going to do it all again. Here we go again. Honestly, I haven't been on a Freakout yet this year. We've been on a few of the confolding ones, but not on the Freakout. A good KMG, definitely something to look forward to. Everyone's holding on for dear life, look. Starting to think I should put my hands up. This is the bit, this is the one. Get some pace now. Oh yes. Oh, I love it. I love a good KMG Freakout. That was really good. Really, really enjoyed that one. There we go, Chaos. So Kurt's just filmed me on Chaos. Again with my neck, I am taking it a little bit easy, to be fair. And I know a KMG Freakout isn't a problem. I love it. That's a really good ride, Kurt. A really, really good ride. It's a kind of typical ride. Start slow, get to full height, give a bit of a spin go, slows back down again, goes to full height, and then boom, in goes the spin. Boom, in goes the spin and the height. Love it. That is a great Freakout. Really enjoyed that. We're going to gradually move down now, and I think my neck was done by Benson's Extreme potentially. So Kurt's going to do Jetfire today. Tivoli, I think it's a Tivoli Extreme. You're going on, right?
Yeah.
Kurt's taking you on board. But I think this is a quick one. This might take Kurt by surprise. I tell you what though, it's been a beautiful refurb. That new backdrop is absolutely stunning. There he is. Absolutely stunning, that backdrop. All around the middle bit's been done. I think it's had new lights. We'll show you the cabin afterwards. And again, we've got some lovely retro music. What's not to like about that? I haven't heard this song in ages, absolute ages. Here we go, we're kicking in now. Ah, so this one goes right up. Oh. That thing is moving, absolutely moving. after our high spin, you can see now that they've really ramped in. Oh. Loving that, loving it. Just while we're here, I forgot to show on the Chaos actually, look at the graphics. You don't see this very often. I don't think I have seen this one. I'm pretty sure I remember this. So I think that's my first ride on this. I've definitely been on Jetfire before. And again, you can see, we said during the taking a clip there, the graphics are incredible. The Jetfire's fire over the back, the Born to Fly, all this here, it just looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. Now, what did you think, Kurt?
That's really quick.
Really quick?
Yeah, it's good.
It did look quick. So we have noticed actually that the ride's been retrofitted with seatbelts. So I think it's the first extreme I've ever seen with seatbelts that come across here.
Goes across your lap.
Goes across your lap before the restraint comes down. Other than that, the bars and things are kind of identical to what you'd find on a normal extreme. Kurt did comment, however, that it's the seatbelt that's holding you in when you go upside down. So there's not a lot of movement between that and the restraint.
Yeah, so it kind of digs in a little bit.
Yeah,
not too bad.
but not bothered about that because it was good.
It was very good.
Really good, really quick. And also, we just point out here, the little Daredevil on the side. Graphics on all of these look incredible, don't they?
They do, yeah.
The graphics on all of these look absolutely top notch. Really, really, really impressed with them. Really impressed, actually. Beautiful looking fair so far. Beautiful looking fair. Right, but onwards, Kurt. Superbowl.
Yep.
It's a Superbowl.
Yep.
Number one. We'll see. Now then, we'll see. We're going to see Kurt go around on the Superbowl. Again, he can get his head whipped from side to side. His car is the only one that hasn't twisted round yet. Don't know why.
Okay, Superbowl riders, are you ready?
Right, here we go. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Now he's on the ball. Now he's off.
Wow, wow, touchdown! It's the #1 Superbowl! Superbowl!
Enjoyed that?
That's very good.
It did release you, didn't it? Just sort of
Yeah.
Kurt facing the wrong way to Kurt facing the right way.
Ride cycle again.
Yeah, I have to say the ride cycles have been immense.
At least like 4.5 minutes.
Yeah, it's been really, really immense. We showed you the Dodgems. There are a few juvenile rides here as well.
Good looking cars as well.
They are lovely looking. The only one we really want to show you is this Escape from Alcatraz. This was new last year. Look at that. That is stunning, Kurt.
Yeah.
The lighting is sort of the arrested warrior. It looks like a mirror maze in the middle. Absolutely stunning, stunning. Obviously, we're not going in that today. But that is beautiful. That is what you call a theme on one. But we're not going in that today. He's even got his own themed bin look. He's got his own themed bins, Kurt. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But I think that pretty much wraps our time up.
Yeah.
Yeah. From Alcatraz onwards.
Yeah.
So Thurstons pop-up fun park. So it's a £1 entry, which we paid.
Yeah.
It was £10 for 10 tokens. As I said, I'm on limited riding at the moment, so we didn't get that many tokens, to be honest with you. We did think they took card, because they say they take card, but they don't. It was cash only. Fortunately, I did bring some cash. Might have to get some more cash out though, potentially. But what a fair, what a fair. Alcatraz through to the Dodgems. Wonderful Super Bowl. You said that was quicker than the one in Southampton?
Yeah, I think it was.
Yeah, quicker than the one in Southampton, Kurt said. Jetfire, stunning. Even this Twister's stunning. I mean, we've done quite a lot of Twisters and Waltzers and Miamis this year, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we didn't really want to do any more. There's no Waltzer here, actually, which is quite odd for a fair. Chaos, I don't think I have seen it. Daredevil I've definitely seen over the back, and Jetfire I've definitely seen. But what a beautiful fair, Kurt. Beautiful, beautiful fair. Yeah, and even the coaster. If I was really, really into the coaster creds, I'd have gone on it. But I'm not going to lie to you, I'm just not into them enough at fairs to warrant trying to keep track of them. Sorry, Kurt. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed our trip here. It's a spontaneous one while we were out and about. We thought we'd just come along and see this beautiful fair. And I'll tell you, it's exceeded our expectations, hasn't it? Yeah. Really has exceeded our expectations. It's amazing what they've got into this little section. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
It was.
Anything to add?
No, it was very good.
Happy days. Happy days. From UK Theme Parks, my name's Adam. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment. Comment as well. Let us know what you think of these fairs as we go around. We'll see you next time.